Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking.
Today I will make the sautéed shrimp with mango and asparagus. This is a very simple, flavorful dish for spring and summer. I will use 1 pound large shrimp, about 16 to 20 shrimp. You marinate the shrimp with 2 tablespoons vodka, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Use 1 mango, 5-6 of asparagus, sliced ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and 1/4 cup of stock. First, I clean the shrimp and shell and devein the shrimp. Then I will put the shrimp in a bowl. I will rub the shrimp with 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. I will gently rub the shrimp, and then I rinse under the cold water until the water is coming clean and clear. Then I will dry off the shrimp with paper towel. Place the shrimp in a bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of vodka, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon oil, and mix well. This is called velveting shrimp. Then I will keep in the refrigerator until ready to cook. I peeled and sliced the mango into about 1/2-inch cube. Cut the asparagus into about a 1-inch slice. Then I will thinly slice garlic and thinly slice julienne ginger. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over high heat. Add the shrimp to the pot and cook until shrimp turn pink, and then place the shrimp into a bowl. Saute the ginger and garlic. Then I add the mango and asparagus. Cook under high heat for about 3 minutes. Then I add the shrimp. After I add the shrimp, I will add a ketchup, soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Cook until the shrimp is totally coated with the sauce. Then I move the shrimp to plates and serve. And this is a very simple and easy dish, and it's also wonderful.
I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.